Is your computer running slow? Don't worry, in just 4 minutes I'll show you how to speed up any Windows PC. No software needed. First, let's stop unnecessary programs from starting with Windows. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Look for programs you don't need when your computer starts. For example, games or chat apps. Right-click them and choose Disable. This will make your computer boot faster and free up memory. Some apps might not be enabled, so just disable those enabled. Okay, this is the first step. Let's go to the second. Next, we'll remove temporary files. Press Windows+R, type the word on the screen and hit Enter. A folder will open with a bunch of temporary files. Select all and press Delete. Don't worry, these are safe to remove. As you can see, these are temporary files. Select all of them and delete. It might say the folder is opened in another program or something else. Just press skip or continue as you want. It might take several times to be deleted, so we can continue to the next step. Then press Windows+R again, type cleanmgr and press Enter. Select your system drive, check the files you want to delete and click OK. This clears system junk and frees space for your PC to run faster. Finally, let's make Windows prioritize speed over visuals. Press Windows+R, type system.cpl and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply, then OK. This turns off fancy animations and effects, so your computer feels much faster and smoother. And that's it. 3 simple steps to speed up any Windows PC in just 4 minutes, without installing a single program. Try it now, and let me know in the comments how much faster your PC feels.